dia fanini na nisikea. Usome tideja watu fachaecha. Awe vichapa. Ibi wa misemu wa ube unesa. Media ni uo. Yebi na minye. Tina kwesa dia mempa wasani. Sumide.
If you me and me is full up, the sign no ibu achokokura, ibu achwe. Okay, madeleke, mami me madeleke. No iswaka no fenko, yeba mi komoko, awe wo. Oh isi ibu acho no chuebe, nipo mapa me ni kura ni mate. Ya yo belo mwena ibe noko. No ji yo mene kura ejaka ibe ka blessi kalo ama gbe mi so alo ya yo e woni na sika ka plelo loko mabu mi lobako ne wa insida lo ni sisi kibe ko kura no mi tada ke mo no ne wo e ma what's that my ke mo no ni what's my you? Ejaka ibe ka blessi kalo. Oma gbe mi so alo.
Sigebi na mini tina kwesa dia mempe wasemi. Insumi de ade.
Across the world, your full good party radio station.
Summer Radio.
Okuma Radio 97.1. We bring on the best.
Higher, higher, higher. Yeah. Higher, higher, higher. You know what it is. Higher, higher, higher. Higher, higher, higher.
Hey, FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022. Yanko Qatar live on Okuma 97.1.
If it is 20th November, the 18th December, 32 countries. Yeah, the 64 games nina live commentary at the April on Okuma Radio 97.1.
Achadi ni die bebrekeke predict a win ebekosu during the live commentary on Okuma 97.1.
Shannon so say Okuma ni Yanko Qatar jumadi no yerebe brel ewa aboboano.
Sao pasa samre ubo ye chidoma ubetimi afre number se didi suwe 0549012454 and 0246435565. Restaurant, bars, eye ankrankra samre mu pesa mu boy ye chidom akonya wo homa mu se mu befre ne enu madinsa wo so. Yanko Qatar 2022 ewo Okuma 97.1 radio.
Okuma Yanko Qatar World Cup 2022 eni enhia.
Don't go anywhere. More coming up.
Because good music can be so hard to find. So hard to find.
Get in here.
It's your boy Travis. Gym Class Heroes, baby.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Yeah.
The holding answer and then Molana also because of match. No Molana, idiot would have been Pempeswano at a Gini Posua. The holding answer and then Molana also because of match. No Molana, idiot would have been Pempeswano at a Gini Posua.
na menua no me ma me nana no na ye no mo zongo o mun kai se ye bibia dise ahabaya kan o remember park anaji guru me no pa anaji guru me papa embo no ndi pamcho o mu ba o muntia o de place no o be o mu e che o mu ka o mu ji wi ni mbono.
Pride, arrogance, share a hand time, and they kill house of folk. Pride, any hand time, and they kill house of folk. I'm telling you, people must be prepared to come low and deal with their supporters. High horse no baby omutino, high horse hono, baby omutini brofa kese no mo kaino. Supporters in Tiasia. When you do football, succeed with the supporters. That arrogance, pride, yan kamasem, ukamasem wa umwadie, yan criticize me, what did you matem? That sort of behavior and you come house of folk. What do you have team kakakati say house of folk? Abay any diwatemo. What do you have team kakakati say house of folk? Abay yan criticize you. Are you God? That nobody can criticize you. Go criticize us. Criticism. We are raising critique, and it is legitimate.
First name is Lawrence Atizigi from Zangalen. Second name is Abdul Nuruddin from KS Open. Then we have Ibrahim Danlad, as you see already. I will continue with Dennis O'Doyle from Club Brugge. Then we have Tariq Lamptey from Brighton and Hove Albion. Then we have Alidou Seydou from Clermont Foot. We have Daniel Amate from Leicester City. Next one is Joseph Edu, Celta Vigo. Alexander Djikou, RC Strasbourg. Mohamed Salisu, FC Southampton. Abdul Rahman Baba, FC Reading. Gideon Menza, AG Auxerre. Andre Ayew, Al Sadd SC. Thomas Partey, FC Arsenal. Elisha Owusu, Ghent. Salis Abdul Samad, AC Lens. Mohamed Kudus, Ajax Amsterdam. Then we have Daniel Kofi Cherry, SC Freiburg. Yeah, before we start with the questions and my answers, I would like to take you a little bit inside in my thoughts. Maybe this will clear.
Are you ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Alright, Okuman 97.1 and the 16th of November 2022. Yes, and as I say, Unim Senia, the BIA no. Okuman Global Sports Live on Okuman 97.1. And there you see us say 4 minutes past the hour of 1. And then somehow done on here, Babeshe, Elfia. What I'm saying, FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022, no NCB Abesha here. We see that day anyway. Opening game to Jam and Sona Carter. na unim said the Black Stars of Ghana so akopiem Abu Dhabi ahoboa wodo na omo ye edi atwen eye World Cup no. As part of their preparation, it's a big game back over to drop. Friendly match between the Black Stars of Ghana and our friends from Switzerland. It's not about 10 a.m. And I start giving over to drop. The best and our friends here will remain the moon come on. Sanso and Wednesday, we call the Ghana Premier League, Bet Power Premier League matches out hall midweek action. Match week 7. I know the best games to be to drop. Our friends here the moon come on. World Cup Diaries baba. So kuma 97.1. Ene jume ku awdo na kabum. Titiro ene hot oven. Akabuma yen kokata jume di ene yere ba. Yen nyina ne ye kokata no. Entina yesi yen kokata 2022. Entene so your restaurant, your pub, your hotel. Ene obesa ne kabum na fin so the live commentary FIFA World Cup 2022 ne ba. Kuma 97.1 ebe say na fin so live commentary near the aba. You see all the games, all the matches ebe live on Kuma 97.1. Executive producer the Majumedi Yera Kofi Anson Bafo, Head of Sports Nana Kofi Okori Achiman, DJ Zigibi, DJ Donzi, Samson Akrobia Santoberton and Custody Kwaman and Pasolo Paradise. Aja Pokuya Ezonam Onyata Echi. We are meeting a journey made to Johnny Diamao, Dina Kelvin and Ponsa Eddie. You can call me AK the boss player. It's an office here to Jano. And the Angels only 1.2 million. You know, corner office here the cat on Comodia bar. It's an Jano Osro. Nah. Probably as until Fia. Oshene a boy there 2 3 1. Kata yango kata kwine hone dam. Kata kwine hone nam. Probably atana se ye be kona man nin sama pa. Parenra ye shen komo chiche bia se at the Farm Ministry of Youth and Sports. Budget in Ghana ye ko World Cup. As it stands now no officially budget ye ko World Cup ne my. Men can Black Stars asem. They can't Ghana budget to World Cup. It's an say yeah, kono supporters be kobi abine the supporters call other technical staff. Premier League team be our rep, Division 1 team be our rep. And no abine the bonka. It's kasa ni ereko. Black Stars there. I think the minister kasa Mustafa Yusuf. None of that parliament had to just say group stage, you know, $8.8 million. For supporters now, fly my consider sign here the cobo mobra. When it's time penny for you, I bet you on per diem. Sign here the momo. Mr. Minister Mustafa Yusuf as so to bet him. Man, try my young Garcia, Cocatanapa, and Sana in Chrimaba. I don't know where Yenti Minister, a cultural straight Yenti. Tunima, my say man, I'm more to my friends on far budget and a bra. Matasa Cat, GFA President Akaza. I see enjoy negativity and positive on Mr. President, unim says I didn't fa. The capacity is in Mutimba Mude. No cranny, they say a catcher mo. Player selection, Yatia say a cashier ye. And you say a cashier answer, players and the Amodi Aba. The moment in here, this says a canon, Yebeka. Action money Switzerland, a bar of pa. Near my boy, Yebesi. I want to see goalkeeper Danlad Ibrahim in post. Abrante Elisha Usu, maybe say young starting no. Abrante Fatah Ishaku, young starting no. Abrante Samid, Halis won, Krobia. Samid won. Salis Samid. You know, maybe say me who Abrante no game anymore. Players ni boy be see e ni ehu modern more. Now young so business ampa indeed omo deserve some Black Stars. Especially ne Abrante and Idin so Elisha Usu. Monitor ne papa. I shall not tell you na game na so. You be won come on. Club ya tena say me na kwa ba na afin so come on ne. If you man ne ba World Cup Diaries ne be to so. And the club ya Remo group B and group C. Remo group B on. Group D. Okay, and I watra o. Rabi ama mi hu watra group D ana mi hu. What do Ghana group? Oh no Ghana group here. I say mo. Yeah, we chiro Ghana. No, but them say Ghana group G on H. Enter World Cup diaries baba. If you want to face the first time kakra one year about, my catch out that I said Bet Power Premier League in baba so midweek action match week 7. Tita Mukuchu. Joining live on Facebook or Command Radio 97.1, YouTube and see Command Radio 97.1. Because Jumeri Isa and as a quite Christian about clinic. I didn't know my come and study about Bontain. Isa Medla Kabati. Isa Pinto about it. And I think so Minta about it. Sounds on a quick credit for Kraimu. A Dome Live Band. Richness Hotel. Kojak Oraken Pro Code. Omunyana Kraimu ayere nsem nyina ba. Robi atena se. Wana kwa ba. Wajine tata na me na kwa manane. Mami mana kwa ba Robi asa bibia kama.
Oba dia down ma eke bibia ye kama ye ja wosoro ni din ho ntew na hene mbra. Bibia ye kama. O se papa oboni o ye mfase da emma no nti de koye ni dia nkoye nyina no ye wonkwa na ye wanhode na mogedi efusa ne nko ade nim se je pese ye wa asase su bia nsa na ne bra so ma wato nsa afra ye no na yakotweri Abraham kukumu no de eke ye betumi aye ansa na sabre ne tumi aso wa ye ni femu de nyame be ye de ne pemu bi de oye bibia kama. Yes ye onya de o promise na we feli. Inti se wa ye wie na ye time a de aka no e wo nipa nsem aka se nipa enso be gazette bribia na chese ne onso osimu e wishira no etumi aba no nti no nyame de oguso a eye ne de
na ba say na ochi en share dollar ne wa share dollar no
oh akodu 14.6 oh e wo team yes
ma de kakra bi no 3 days bi no dollar na akodu 14.6 hey dollar that be a kind of oh yes and stable now be an dollar na stable
anobia tawa mko da side na mi so okay and the meaning name kakra na me just say dey mako na me say na say ye ga ni fit
so you mean am question na 14.5 na so crop ya
oh 6 I go do 6
dollar ye
oh I go do 6 one more project bibia ni ade I go do 6
now okay former striker ma Black Stars Kwesi Appiah.
Yes Kwesi Appiah
Kwesi Appiah ayo sports journalism I graduate be a professional sports writing and broadcast journalism.
Oh, okay.
Stanford University.
Fantastic.
UK. And I graduate.
Engineer day how you too much into no football na ne bono into me mfani nkodu baby no person could do ne okay, we are den a bed into I think say very good say we choose another option say obe to me aboyre mu so nyame wa dum ye talent
be so want to mamba and na into mamba ni sabe to matro
sa na no nso ho woni mba ye ni mu hwe
okay so
obe to me
don't so have criticize
players ni ade
no Bob Black Stars how many goals AFCON be am kai 2010 AFCON be o share one goal be
o yade
no san ka World Cup obi to akwa na
o ekida bi hwe
sa
ija players we chi players awo Aziz bi owo Rio Ave o si
Yakubu Aziz
womo dia womo ko AFCON
Yakubu Aziz
so ahan ebinum begu womo ho enum ase nti fire na ye beturu akọ womo so enya ade akochi bi abetemte
na no pa mo ana senior be friends okay fire no mo hold on answer na
okay
omo ba obizo ni mzee
ket ene ya wasia kasa na wakasa
yen twem mo nkomra ne nkojingu be ka hwe yen nkuzehwe you need to put them on their toes.
Well, okay, World Cup no players no say me Andra me be kan wa ha. See, after 6 ha.
Yes.
Even match day na obi be prama ombo bi okofie. Enti no France, one ma replace ya brand ya your friend no Christopher Nkunku. Amfa
no manfo bi social media manfo bi board we do come event.
Oh, okay, we receive threat ni ade death threat ni ya France portals ni ade report say one mo pa on chew. sani camp asumdwe beba fie say womo Mayfield asay aka Kamavinga ne Chouameni ne Rabiot team ne gu mfifin woni de gu nti womo pa oche womo nye bibia distract players no nti wo pa chew but de okoye no eye similar to unipa edio waka su ne Asimiru de no masa training well onim say walk up ana yenga bi wo as a French player say who say training na ye no and what say we be make serious tackle be our player be because player ni here more man no
because Christopher Nkunku form no
sa tackle no the queen the game situation e ka straight red card game situation straight red card
yeah branch if yeah France
ni nyina ka destiny ni bia
in the history of World Cup no defending champions bia oba emfa and you know
and
it's a bit more say bia almost one there no say emfa
what about 2002 omo buy amfa omo after 98 omo ye host and win of France omo buy 2002 Japan Korea France amfa inti se mo sa abeje 2018 a yenhwe ntino yebe komna ya hwekakra na ne yeba ya ba hwe group E ene no yes group E group D and E yebe hwe Tunisia ne Australia group D ne yebe hwe E no Spain and Japan ntene yebe ye win shot ne fe yebe hwe the four national teams no going forward maybe especially on Saturday yebe make sure yebe complete all the teams na aka no na ya bo ewremu and so other stories I know so make waves enenu ukopie mo kata nsem dodo na akoso nti ye de kakra so rebabat nensem no nso nam walk up no ho ati de bit no nti ye ba na fe ye de we na be fe na ne o man so etumi aye kama ike
all right nti no krobia na mote ne kan e be kona fin so na man nsem krobia sante e de o nyina enso de aba
el Chicharito ahí la tiene Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio, no hay arquero, ¿quién le pega? Gio, ¡golazo! ¡Poema de gol! Apago la luz y me voy.
Right, ebe mo bibia ha e de aba koma 97.1 e bredu say de amanane nsem a ya boaboa no e de bebremo e wo dwumedia ya tuni de koma Global Sports the afternoon version no yeti ni nyina enso e de eba backed by ni Nana Kofi Okware Ajman HOD ene AK wo mo nyina e boa DJs gibi enso aboa ama wo mo agboa akeka won sase a atrotro nsem ni nyina ekurunche e de egu krata so se menko no kwanten kro na mefa manfo kro so nsem no emfa bedan yetifo ene ya hwefo urhemu e the social media platforms are Jumedians no good live especially on Facebook and YouTube no Okuma Radio 97.1 on Facebook so no and YouTube Okuma Radio 971 and also ko Jumedian nyina enso chegu ya de atomo enim se radio no aba beye audio visual enye inkanea upese wuntia na ne wetie FM anase frequency upese wonhwe weni so na wakohwe television se ni nyina no yetumi acombine amanuoma no so no enso konti radio no audio visual no guso a enenu echegu tie no na sanso hwe na unya the clear vivid understanding of the stories yes so yet the eba vivid description of the stories ni nyina yet the go pictorial presentation other footages ni nyina enso echegu Facebook and YouTube ma ujumedie no so no etumi aye kama DJs gibi eboa ama nioma ni nyina odiegu akwemu nti nioma ekoso wo Facebook ni nyina DJs gibi eko smoother ne djuma efe papa echiape eyezigibi na motumi ehu se bibia so no enso etumi akonkan ama nioma so etumi aye kama edino eye krobia asantena before 10 na wonim se ye kono enye ye nko yetubia ye ne amafo netu edjuma bia no eyesika ane ye de yededa ye nyina eyesika nko nti Adom live band de bia ne ye bosso se Adom live band se no ekuapem hade wo mo agi wo mudinye wie wo mu ne obia ni competition wo mu ni competitive bia nti no wo mo ana ne wo mu twegum se ye funerals weddings parties other ceremonial events a ne wuhia se ene namfo ene awowo a obeto nsa fra mo no wo mo mbra na wo me joy dwumedie na wo nso wudi no a Adom live band ana meka from ede ama wo mo ba wo mo bebo nyum pa band nyum ye ka banda band etumi hu nyum bia band krona obo adadem band krona obo gospel band krona obo reggae ene nyum bia Genesis wo music mu nyina wo mu betumi ama obibia ama dwumedi no so no etumi aye super ekropon ekuapem aha na ombutu ama nyoma etumi akonka betumi afrem penifo ene wo mu di nkomo dodo na aginkyerem dodo na efri wo mo ewa ahoma trufo iso 0242 267538 0242 267538 na on Adom live band enso etumi edi nkomo ma odwumedi no so no etumi aye super exciting na bibia so no etumi aye kamanu eti no unze uba dwumedi bia utu kwan na akọ wentu kwan o awoho ebeba onamfo ebeba bebia obema wo mada eni ni nyina eno nso hu hia papa sese ye fina ewo hodan na esi ebusua fina eni won parking konwa eguma ntatia ne mmoawa bibemu no emfa ne nkodem ama nyoma bia onfa yare nso no emfifie ho emfa nko enti ye Richnest Hotel ana eneno ye kanfo hede ama services awodo a eneno wo mo ode offa no eno nso bebre ana edidi so yi wo mo executive rooms na chese no ye expensive oba na oba beda baby a no fukun na bibia tumi aye kama sanso ana twin rooms aha ana bibia ekeda twin rooms ne nkwanda da obema ne nkwanda da twin rooms ehọ na de bia ono obutu ama no matumi akonkan wo standard rooms eno so ehọ na chese ho no ho wa wo nhyeda ni surupi wo so awon say uniform wo sensemu mfimfini ama no matumi akonkan ehọ economy rooms yeah ta full plane ni ade no ekuko Ethiopia ni ade ban de yenim economy pa because business class de yensika nhyɛ da ndu ho intisisi an economy na ana yetena ma nyoma etumi akonkan ti economy rooms eno so ba eno so ɛwɔ hɔ na ɛkyerɛ bibie etumi aye kama na eno oda na wo sɔre ni ade ni nyina sese owia no weather no unse climate no ɛsesa mountains de enim sɛ ejo na so sese owia bi atie si ha no ano odin sometimes we titumi pa gegegege ama nyoma etumi akonkan pa enso ɛde mountain swimming pool wɔ hɔ a ni nyine betumi aboa ewurachefo so ne ne watu hu atum na che unsu ni nemu sa apata ne nioma na bibia so no konkan na waba no conference rooms akese no a enso wo ho ama nioma so etumi konkan san so ana restaurant ubedidi ama bibia so no etumi aye kama edukro makuapem ana wo so ekiri kwan enso ho betumi afrem penifo ni aginkyerem dodo na enso ho 0503 337788 ana se 0244 333373 na won so on the Richnest Hotel enso etumi edin komo Richnest Hotel na osi home with nature na nyoma so no etumi akonka yentitom ne hwensem ba komienu a eno so etumi etwegu enso Europe ne emfa ni nyina enso efambra Aaron Lennon enso ne after say Gary Southgate enso etumi announce 26 man squad a wo mka kopie mum Qatar World Cup no aseno eni openi no ne di nkan nti ene or the krata tin ababeto abonti say Aaron Lennon ono so ye Everton former player we see akan ni bia or the aba o say nya dia say ball obebo biu wa retire at age 35 ono so etumi retire ama bibie etumi aka aye kama former Chelsea one mu defender any English centre back abrante aye friend Gary Cahill ono so atro krata tin e the aba abonti after say mundial no ono so etumi anko no hwe nim sanka skamichis bia openi no hu say massa 2026 America, Canada, Mexico, sa World Cup ne de eyamini eko eno mu ye den studio either say de beko ana say na ye de ye kwaning ojugu ni etwegum ti sa oh yes 2016 ne de 2026 eno de
3 countries
yes
America, Canada, Mexico
wo betnai me tena Canada
me so me ko US
nti eno so ene kakra ye de ya we de ya yesie obi eni mu hwe enu
CEO nti
sa ye de ya yesie na bibia so no etumi aye kama ho no nti eno so ene kakra ene no Gary Cahill ono so etumi retire ama nyoma so no konkan hono a yete ahonsem ni nyina enso ede eba when Rooney unum se Cristiano Ronaldo ni nkomo kodidi na Rooney num nyina be mo se Rooney ene Gary Navu num nyina wo mo criticize na wo ne ho ne ade a enya ade a wo mo nyina obebua wo mo ndru ne level iduma wa be ball football wo mo ndru ne level eno ana when Rooney ono so ne ra wo si Ronaldo pa me na okasa asemu e kire minti Rooney so no etumi atoto bi e show ni displeasure to ene nsemo a Ronaldo enso etumi akokekan no ono so etumi akeken bia ama nyoma nso etumi akonka yentintom enso wo World Cup ne nsem kakra Christopher Nkunku enso center forward the French champion team no ama nyoma nso etumi akonka defending champions wo mu hwe ni said this time no anka wo betumi in back to back na nyoma nso etumi akonka wo mu players no pra na wo mu pra already no wo mu etumi miss out was certain players wɔn mu tumi boy in 2018 ma wɔn lift trophy no abrante friend no Blaise Matuidi and Mefota wɔn mu tumi boy Ngolo Kante General enso etumi efiri mu na Paul Abile possibility Pogba o make everything possible in the midfield Edema France no nso no etumi rule out na kakra aka no eno nso enye sese no nioma nkonkan Christopher Nkuku Endrado no nso akoku pra ama nioma nso no etumi akotem edi ama team ayefra no Le Bleu of France ama nioma nso no etumi nkonkan na enumu na Didier Deschamps ono pe ni the only manager World Cup ayekwe we ni bida managers na aka ni nyina 31 teams obia manager omo bra e World Cup ye nti ono nko ana ni all coach so be defend the title no watonsa e dia frɛ Frankfurt nso no wo player ba ko a ye frɛ no Kolo Muani ama nyoma nso no etumi akonkan e honom a eni Kolo Muani enso ehwe enim so ono nso betumi akɔ ama nyoma nso no etumi akonkan kama na sanso no ana urema World Cup ayekwe no ensempi ana wom World Cup na ayekɔ no ensempi ana wom na yebɛhwɛ enei FIFA fan project ni sa nyoma no wo diaba na FIFA say yankan tro bibia player bia ene no all participating e group stages no player baku bia no every day bia or receive 180,000 euros eno any sika ne club ebenya club bia o player ko bi no every day bia apart from $10,000 no eso no apart from $10,000 no player bia club no eno ne player no club bia ebe receive 180,000 euros ana wo mu betumi eje e wo group stages ne nko a already round of 16 the player and as a club no is awarded with 220,000 euros. Say wow player no 3 matches no group stage no we are club ni benya 180,000 euros. Player no etumi boa team no ma team ni san kobo round of 16 nko a addition 220,000 euros and obetumi age quarter finals 280,000 euros. Player no to be borum ekobo finals club no finals nko a saa club kono nso no 370,000 euros ene eno a ene nchichem kakra womo nso ede aba ama nyoma nso no ebetumi akonkan ede ama clubs womo players akwakopie mu ewo World Cup ntisisi ano Ghana yemfa ne se kotoko ene House of Folk efri ye ban ene download womo bua kopie mu wo final a yenti ese de nyoma ne beye womo bo group stages ni wi a 180,000 euros for kotoko ene has say Ghana ekobo round of 16 220,000 euros addition to the 180,000 euros edema each club bio kotoko ne has bio quarter finals Blasters kwa another two into we nyina wo kan bo mu akopem final 370,000 euros o kan nyina bo
club bia
okay single player bia into say was 16 players na 16 players ni nyina ebo one team na bia wo kodu finals
Ayi Germany, Madrid ne Barcelona,
Man City no mom ne kura 16 players ne the Manchester United no yes. Yes.
Okay.
Into group stages no kwa de eno e konk.
Okay.
FIFA e betu atum 180,000
Ediama club bia.
Euros Ediama club bia.
The player
club bia and players in year 2 180,000 euros plus 180,000 euros edema players in club na sa anti-times
ayi Bayern and I say Madrid grab 13 players
yes
the World Cup until paying each player 180,000
group stages in kwa
okay
group stages in kwa na bibia to etumi aye kamanti I think sa and ebrebe kwan kind courtesy Regions Hotel womo ebo mechidom ene Adom live band e ma media mononi tew enso etumi edeba into nyoma ekon kan e wo World Cup ni mu no eno nso bia ana ne yedwedwegu me jemu diama yake na dwumedia wodro na enso etumi ato aso.
All right, into the crowd bia tew e wa manane ana no nso eri aba kind courtesy Regions Hotel ana afin no Adom live band but eba be din komo na afin so e a World Cup diary no etumi aba na efisem kakra wo no enso etumi ato aso no me say. And then Ghana Premier League matches akano and so at 12 so match week 7 games do na ebeto jwa e fixtures ni na ebeba na mo no Kojak Oracle Pro Code and so me kanfo area ama say ni no Koja Farmer and so no edi nro and as a toothpaste aba say de bia no wo ha say na asresere untumi nsira na say o se no ana enkon kan tene unya Kojak Charcoal toothpaste na ebebo enkane ana ye nananom omso no edi bode ana afensi bidi etwiese nanso ni no abefo kwan so Koja pharmacy for and so no akofa Kojak Charcoal toothpaste edi aba and so do choose na o se na anwade abem sanso na Kojak fluoride toothpaste no and also wa o se na she kaka how nteni no nsuo kura water untumi nom ti kura na do untumi nom ni nyina yese kaka no how nteni unya fluoride toothpaste na ebetu kaka na se e free e de ma o de choose wi a na feel so use sensitive mouthwash no and also apurukusu o de pusu wani mpe o se na pa fita ona ma wasere sa na yese num kan de be enso no e de free e de ma Pro Code no so e ha oti na yo ya unya binum a e be ti pa ni nyina enso e de free e de ma de bia na mega se ezikafo de omoze omanya flu sanso na semi ezikafo no ezi code ya ye ni bi de yese kata nti ni nyina bi na hawa unya Pro Code na eno so be yi e de free e de ma Koja Pharmacy anase Koja Farmer enso na wakansi drug lane and cry ubo rema usabeke bi heba ane chemical shops nyana no enso rema Kojak Oracle and Pro Code no eno so onsa ebeka Quick Credit and Investment Micro Credit Limited say ndi nkomo asi afi say oye adwuma sati say November mu ne we enja afin be ko na wie ye afin ko na wie ye na onni adwuma bia ya asose ebeba oso itini ose bra na baji sika efa ko ye adwuma say startup loan unya sika e da say adwuma say onsa ebeka emergency loan sanso na salary loan working capital and existing business loan no and so sabeka say oye adwuma be say obi adwuma num na etumi ko na nima oba Quick Credit be ma sasika no na so no ode aye adwuma ni yan say oye Ghana ni na okra Ghana card yes Ghana ni okra Ghana card unkra Ghana card Dr. Mahmoud say Iranchen baby it's Quick Credit say bra na beji sike na fakoye adwuma se channel so say bosia na ma internet so it's on na social media na akoto Quick Credit say mesika o ha o se channel so say omo no nya de o ma bosia no e wo ye internet so o ma so ye won kan oba omo no betena se o ma nhyehyɛ enye 24 hours nya san nhyehyɛ no oba e se ekyereki omu na oti ase ye ansana sika no ye de ama se bia adwuma akwakoyi e bia ope 1 cedi e betena se aka se da bi 1 cedi ni so a o ye ni 2 cedis a e beboa ama wako anim san so e bia 1 cedi ni so me ma 50 pesos na so no fa hye adwuma nim ni nyina san nhyehyɛ ni nyina o kyereki omu na so ati ase ye ansana de sika na eden e de ama for Quick Credit 0302 200 390 0302 200 390 and at 0596 920 833 0596 920 833 Quick Credit ana I say lending made simple omukai mu ana ne so no that is World Cup diaries no eba club ya be room L group E that fin so no are statistics kakra our teams no ho no and so no etimi area bro club ya enwura group E na teams ben all.
Well, okay, uremu our group E no and I say yebeshe D no and sana yaba E. And D no France, Peru, France, Australia, Denmark, Tunisia and France. Denmark interne yebeshe Australia ni Tunisia yevia ne ababeshe Spain and so any Japan o group E interne yeshe group D 2 national teams ni ababeshe group E nsuno 2 na ni omanso yetumi akonkan nti eno ana ne no ye hwe nti ye best start here free Tunisia African contingent womo so e kind of 5 national teams womo ekọ akogine edi ama African continent no enso e wo mundial na Tunisia no uhwemu a womo edi no Tunisia national football team eno ana ye frɛ womo e wo hono mu nse womo ye French womo so ye French kakra na womo nickname no ye Carthage womo nickname no Carthage Eagles of Carthage sana womo so nickname no and so the association here Tunisian Football Federation TFF and also any womo de confederation no African Confederation and as a CAF womo CAF as a Confederation of African Football womo so Africa sub confederation no womo and so North Africa and as a northern part of Africa ho ana womo so womo head coach or the womo kono Jaleel Kadri onono enso Tunisian former player and as a professional manager and so captain Yusuf Misakni captain Yusuf Isakni ana ono nso elidi team no ede omako Moscow's player we see account do pa ede ama Tunisian football national team no enso Rabi Jadi 105 games and on nso about top scorer no Isam Jamal 36 games and as a goals and away to me all time top scorer Isam Jamal 36 goals and away to me all time top scorer the Tunisian national team no on also the ejene ho M9 home stadium our musia kan no Stade Hamadi Agrebi Stade Hamadi Agrebi the ho and our mo Asia kan FIFA code TUN tan ana tun ni abeka ni bia enso eno no wo face you no colors no say net white all white first colors no all white and red strips any name and second colors no so all red and white in kakra enso any name and eneno urem third kit na etosu miensa no all green and yellowish colors be strips any name amanioma etumi akonkan currently one more city 30th position ewo Coca-Cola FIFA ranking so latest dia yede awremu ewo kata no womo LCT 30th ewo ho a womo de eko highest a womo etumi place April May 2018 ana womo so etumi eto so 14th ama bibi etumi akonkan lowest a womo akokra no enso July 2010 a womo place 65th seconds and I say 56 spot and I want to me nya yama ni omo konkan womo first international appearance and registered say womo kan FIFA ko no hono say net here back in 1957 na che say Ghana Independence Day e ho pepepe and womo bo womo first game at Tunisia for 2 Libya e ho no ma womo tumi nya san kunum the biggest victory a womo tumi nya no Tunisia e bo Czech Republic and I say Republic of China they be Czech Republic the ankebe me ho a untumi she ni 80 sa Republic of China and so by 8 goes to 1 ana eni Tunisia tumi e win enu echi obo Togo 7 ana osanso e bubo bia Malawi so J7 sa ana eni Djibouti so agi 8 amanioma e konkan wo biggest defeat awenya Hungary etumi e bo no 10 goals Tunisia timu ba kon eno 1960 ana nioma etumi akonkan World Cup no wo etumi akọ 6 appearances no 6 na wo etumi akọ 1978 98 2002 2006 2018 or Russia na chere say wo modern ball eguso a eso eni nkakra wo etumi akọ dodo na e de asen Ghana e kọ fort wo nso na ewremu e wo sea time a enioma nso no e konkan wo best a wo etumi aye no e yese wo magbo group stage wo nhye da anya ade sa wo mpie o group stage da eno nso ne kakra eni Tunisia nso no enam a wo nso e de ekwakohwemu enso Australia say net here uremu e Australian men's national soccer team and also na wadene nam ho a wo mo eneno association no e football Australia confederation no OFC na che say Ocean unam Asia honum baby Caribbean honum side e hona wo nso etete ne ade a sese no currently wo ba AFC Asia honum e hona wo nso e bezi amaniom etumi akonkan sub confederation eye enenu southeast of Asia eho ana wo nso etem coach ode wo ba no Graham Arnold onu kura wo ma ono nso ede wo mo eba eho captain no eye Matthew Ran ana ode wo ba Moscow's player we see account drop enso ede am Australia no Mark Schwarzer make you back I know.
Yeah, Mark Schwarzer, a former Fulham goalkeeper.
Obani name Chelsea, be coach Chelsea Academy ni adina. 109 matches and to me ball and so the Australian national team and you to me con kind top scorer all time Tim Cahill. So no zuni muno.
Tim Cahill so no years on
Tim Cahill.
Australia na muka da Harry Kiwamo. Tim Cahill.
Tim Cahill. 50 goals na way to me a share home stadium no various one we share that any specific stadium we mu see kan FIFA code no AUS and also no first colors no woman face you no yellow top green down and a yellow host and a woman Asia and you want to me akonkan currently almost 38 and so FIFA ranking so highest I want to me place 2009 and I want place 14th lowest I want akokra 102 November 2014 and I want to me New Zealand first international game boy woman in New Zealand boy I want lose by 3 goals to 1 biggest winner want to me Australia 31 America Samoa 0 Australia American Samoa 31-0 ama nyoma etumi konkan. Biggest defeat a womanya South Africa etumi abom 8-0 ama nyoma etumi konkan. World Cup woma ko 6 na chese bibia e kama 74 ana womo make womo debut enso World Cup ni mu round of 16 2006 ana womo so Germany womo tumi ko hwrem wo ho ntina chese womo modern no so eguso a esueni na ho ma nyoma so etumi akonkan e be hwrem wo Spain national football team no womo so kakra womo so ewoni La Roja ene no womo dinga ahote dinga no so ene nam wa La Roja na kire say the red one o de ba English ma and I said the red fairy na bibie tumi ay kama association no Real Federación Española de Football de Football RFEF eno no confederation wo Europe UEFA say ana ne wo mo hye head coach ni Luis Enrique ono no de wo mo ba ono so e Spanian ana de wo mo ba captain no Sergio Busquets osina Academy FC Barcelona most caps Sergio Ramos 180 appearances no wetumi make Ediama La Roja fo no amani o me konkan all time top scorer David Villa. You can say David Villa win.
Oh, David Villa is a former Valencia player, former Barcelona, former Atletico Madrid player.
All-time top scorer, 59 goals. Yes. And I wait to me actually home stadium, various. Women soon need specific stadium. Women ACA can women to me bo baby. FIFA code you know ESP, and then women FIFA code. Woman who first you edi kind no. All red top, green down. And I know who's so green and I say blue black be yes blue black be name one ama no metumi akonkan currently one more 67th FIFA ranking so na one de ka ko remu World Cup na say highest one metumi akọ July 2008 one more place first June 2009 one more place first October 2009 ni nyina first March 2010 July 2010 July 2011 October 2011 July 2014 ni nyina one more place first FIFA Coca-Cola ranking so ma no metumi akonkan lowest womo etumi akono 25 ana womo etumi akoda 1998 ana womo etumi ko places ahona enoma etumi akonkan fa ma wom. First official match awon boy no Spain 1 Denmark 0 1920 na baso biggest win Spain 13 Bulgaria 0 1933 na baso biggest defeat so be actually Spain anom ne pa Italy 7 Spain 1 and etumi course 1928 and etumi course England 7 Spain 1 and also 1931 and also etumi course colon Germany and also etumi course man nyoma konkan World Cup no mako 16th time out of 22 ai ne no yeko inti afidi no account and make 16 and so dem out of 22 ayeko no best results awo etumi enya obekaya South Africa Jabulani womo anetumi de Jabulani etumi de to atena Andres Iniesta etumi enya the oligo enso de ma womo lift trophy no 2010 ama nyoma nso etumi konkan ntiano ne Spain womo so kakra womo etumi enya yemprepre chiri kura ewo Japan womo de womo hye dance mbo bra kakra bia Japan national football team eno so ene womo din a womo de nam na womo ye samurai blue samurai eno ne womo nickname a womo de nam association ye Japan Football Association JFA
Japan ye Blue Samurai.
Yes.
Okay, na Chelsea so ye Abidjan Blue.
Oh. The Blues na bibia say to me I come na confederation no Asian Football Confederation ho ana womo so etem sub confederation womo east and I say eastern part of Asia intino EAFF ho na womo so head coach ode womo ba Hajim Moriyasu na chese ono so Japan ni papa ono so edi womo ba captain Maya Yoshida o kai no pa
Kai Yoshida papa nte ono ko pie mo AC Milan Yoshida
oh okay Maya Yoshida ono so eni nemu oba most caps no Yashito Endo wotumi esiakan no 152 matches na wotumi apo edi ama Japan national team top scorer all time no and so Kunishige Kamamoto. Yes, Kamamoto. Okay no.
Kamamoto nzogwe pie mu kakra o na AC arenga ball lo kakra o. Yes.
Okay, 75 goals all time na wetumi ahye edi ama Japan national team home stadium no Saitama Stadium 2002 wosi nche ye ntina wo mo de no account no FIFA code JPN ama nyoma nso etumi akonkan wo ma ofesio no green top ana ne down no ana se shorts no white ana blue hose na no nso etumi akonkan wo ho no ma bibia akonkan wo mo wuremu e kata no wo mo FIFA ranking sit a wo mo eda no 24th position na wo mo nso eda wo Coca-Cola FIFA ranking so highest a wo mo etumi akọ 1998 abra ne ye kwakọ piemu wo France World Cup na se no na wo mo place 9th ana ye diko wuremu lowest cra wo mo etumi wuremu no 66th position ana wo mo etumi ada December 1992 na chesa Ghana nya independent ni munu ni nemu nti Ghana independence ye no mo na wo mo nso no etumi wo mo West FIFA ranking na wo mo etumi nya first international game Japan 0 China 5 China ni more boss in Japan na eke China so ni more boss in Japan
India just after 5 no boss in 5
biggest win Japan enya Japan 15 Philippines 0
Japan's winning boss in Philippines.
Biggest defeat.
Philippines in terms of boxing, they are very good in terms of boxing.
I
want Manny Pacquiao munyina
biggest defeat. Enenu Japan etumi enya. Enu nso nie Japan 2, Philippines 15.
The Philippines nothing. I don't know the Philippines that no.
Say but Philippines with bad no ye. Home na we give ana oye Japan e win game no Japan krum wo 15-0. Ana ene Philippines nso ebe 10 no e wo Tokyo no kran so wo mo sambo wo Japan wa ana ye 15-2. Revenge no Japan etumi akọ 7 World Cups out of 22 no additional 22nd edition ye kwa akọ remu e wo Qatar ama no ma etumi akọ kan wo first appearance 1998 a wo mo be pie mu e wo France abra na France ehwe nim se wo mo be ye host and winner wo mo tumi san win ama bibia kon kan enso de ma France enti our best results wo mo tumi nya round of 16 2002 round of 16 2010 ya South Africa okaya wo mo be ni nemu be ye nioma sanso ana remu wo Russia 2018 na so wo mbeje wo mo homena round of 16 ama nioma tumi ekonkan tikakra ene ye de aba Japan Spain Australia ni Tunisia ye de wo mo abakwasem kakra wo World Cup mu so no etumi e de aba mi jemu tiama eke na dwumeje no guso a ene no toaso.
All right, internet so World Cup diary so come on yen kokata and then they call Bia Santin so no it's when the bar you try on bright bar there's a official match week 7 Ghana Premier League fixtures so no and also no yeah they atuja.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own.
All right, into the official Ghana Premier League match week 7 and also the Betpower Premier League matches so no yan twana fin so no yan fani nyina fan tu twan fan ma dia na matches so no ni nyina koso 3 PM Ghana time ko PM and so Troman FC and so ni Tamale City e bebo Kotoko Royals so da and so no traffic Cape Coast no Sama Text so abo zigi o team Kotoko Royals amfa enti no be Kenya mo a mun Kenya mo ye Carolina United so say traffic our yina say no so any can fight about 3 PM Ghana time go to Olympics our Cross Sports Stadium no and so Tamale United out you about Dreams FC I still believe and so no our theater of dreams though and Bechem United bebo sorry akwa be wuremo ho na ya monitor sa game no sound so na bibia ni Gold Stars and so no dance park na tonsa at the media ma asiminia no their boy and say 3 PM Ghana time Eduana Stars doma na Najima Bedu Park no and so 3 PM at tonsa at the Brekum Chelsea no so etima big game no and so tojo Kumasi Papa Yara Sports Stadium Asante Koroko and afin so no Lagos Cities about 3 PM Ghana time and asa game we so no tojo Ghana Premier League match week 7 and also midweek action to know ya the fixtures in and so no to me area to area by popular request to know ya interest in a league table net Ghana Premier League after 6 matches Accra Lions in kind equal 15 points and so Asante Koroko etos me equal 13 points me and Ariana Stars equal 13 points and I Great Olympics 11 points Lagos Cities etosu enum 5th position no equal 10 points and so Troman and so etosu intia equal 10 points Karela etosu and so equal 10 points Bekum Chelsea and Wache equal 9 points and Chrono BBN Gold Stars and also equal 9 points Edu Hearts of Folk equal 8 points ekura 9 points. Sorry. Sanso Edu ba ko RTU ekura 8 points. Dream Cells to so Edu mienu ekura 7 points. Beche United etoso Edu miensa ekura 6 points. Mediama etoso Edu 9 enso ekura 6 points. Kotoko Royals toso Edu num ekura 4 points. Edu Nsiano Samatax ekura 4 points. Real anase Tamale City, sorry. Tamale City toso Edu nsum ekura 3 points. Na afin so Ken Faisal etoso Edu wachia ono so ekura 3 points. Top scorer chart Ghana Premier League. Senator Branton Idiane Enoch Agbelenyo Carolina United was at 3 goals. Branton Idiane Ibrahim La BBN Goal Stars 3 goals. Branton Nicholas Mensah Asante Kotoko as 3 goals na fin so Meshak a free year and so Bechem and as Brekum Chelsea ono so etimi as 3 goals. When Ghana Premier League on Sam Kakra and so ha yeri tuja ere amai for Krobia Ghana Premier League Baransa no echana no pa Ghana, the Black Stars of Ghana, and I think so Switzerland, and so at a friendly game, international friendly game, preparation match. Kasiapa Ebetuja, Ayanopa 10 a.m. Anopa 10 a.m. Na game no, and so Ebetuja. Ura game no na Kasima Dubi na yen sorry. Ura game no.
For when it once
yeah. You know, okay, I'm phone number no, phone line of Antoine. I'm on phone so no. Okay, now uremu. 0205 818 748 0205 818 748. Mutieni 0205 818 748 0205 818 748. Until betu afraba. Echana Ghana ni Switzerland. Ni afshe area free game no player ben Australia ni say on start and I feel so no line up paying and I say any tactics ben after ni say coach Otuaro and so edibera game no Ghana and I feel so Switzerland. Echana 10 a.m. Ghana time. Krobia.
Well, okay, I think say you bought the final game so far as in the Premier League break no are concerned and match day 7 ana na ye remuna ye nyina no ya kotena fie ahwe television ni ade a abompa ya kire say Black Stars modern bono abetu akoden enso e wo mundia na se and match day 7 results and I say fixtures e koso nen very important as to any team a obetumi maintain the top spot so far as a league no e concerned and sana ya kosa break wins no etumi e dia ba e honom na currently ye nyina ye nim say Accra Lions in that league log no so with 15 points are Okrai followed by Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Aduana Stars are woman na 15 points and I said 13 points to that of Eneno 15 points of Accra Lions or city top on the league log and okay games you know 3 games and are very important. Aduana Stars Eneno 13 points ono ekoko Remo eko lusu to Real Tamale United by a goal to 0 oba betna eneno domain crew no was so nyasa point no non fan go back and this season they one of the teams that one modern bono eso ni papa one to me abon modern a one nya points na unlike bad season a one to me nya just ended season to me ekoya Kotoko enya we crowned a victory of a Nisa league, you know. This time round, one more make amends. I'm a results, no, but new my conquering Eddie Aduana Stars and losing way, no. This time round, but bet now one comfortable zone. I think say one more to me we need this particular one against Brekum Chelsea. Brekum Chelsea, another team. One more so started season so well until I know one more tena Brekum. I'm a team my friend of Real Tamale United. Ebe ball one more by 1 goal to near one more to me anteno. One more talk also ekobo 1-1 wa Tamale Stadium, one more Tamale City, and so ekobo 2-2 honoma one more diabem. This time round one more kodoma a very difficult for a native my friend Brekum Chelsea this time. So one more kwakwatina fie because one more baby shia Aduana onusu lusu this time round a max win for Aduana United. Intimation him say Aduana ebetumi nya the possible 3 points over Brekum Chelsea ne and so ewo doma Kotoko any Legon cities. Ye nyina ye be kai dia eneno Maxwell Kunedu edi Legon City ekoye Kotoko last season ewo Babaya Sports Stadium. This time round Kotoko ebe avenge sade na se wo mbotumi nya nkunimdi na wo monso ahwe nim ewo House of Folk ne Accra Lions e die besi wo hobia no na wo monso etumi etwa Lions ho akwakoda first sport one internet Kotoko enso etna Babaya Sports Stadium. Very unpredictable team Kotoko this season. Ye hwe nim say sometimes do be na draw be to me aba be film. Maso Kunedu call all out and ye nyina ye nim former Lagos citizens so wo this time. Wo mo ne the only team a wo mo to me a share Accra Great Olympics. Accra Olympics for 5 games are known to me lose a game. seat game no and to me course weekend Lagos City ne to me e share meaning say Lagos City so no e wo quality and I know one game no so no e was through ye one ba be pie mu bie no one was vim no that memories no e wo mu team say wo kotoko kra no one ba just ended season and kotoko e wo form kra no one to me ba be nyanku ni mu di na enye enne nti no one de san nyoma no e na ba be brem ba we share it is a game a mimi hu ni say man so kunedu ni hu nti oba no anye hwe kra de at least a draw e be to me a very good for both teams you know ama nyoma to me akonkan unlike say bia Lagos City e ba be puti another surprise no dey me hu but me hu say at least one be to me maneuver their way to get at least a draw. Accra Lions set is top on the league of 15 points. Hasselhoff and so any woman e bona former Accra Lions e won we can no den ana wo hwe Hasselhoff coach a friend no match buy no enioma we wini ba kubi abo draw ba kubi ni ade a ye hwe se de enioma e betumi akọ in subsequent games and so e be kono I think say a betting Oshe Lions form na a bit to me by another game I may expect say and also be to me and in a draw. Accra Hasselhoff ne Accra Lions no another game I'm showing him say be to me and in a draw game and so e wo ho no muntieki I think say so far no ne kakra me to me ahye e wo ho no mo na Kimfesa de obekwa akodi e wo Karela oye hwia nyeye yes game we oye no hwia nyeye Kimfesa ka kudi be 2-3 goals and so ewo ene Karela we ye no hwie nye game we lose obe lose na Kotoku Royals any Samates and so efe na we lose 2 matches out of 6 games na wa bono but ni nyina e draw wa bo 7 matches no wa bo draw 4 ekura 4 points City wo league log no hona and said enye wo muntu mi win games Kotoku Royals so bress into game we be so ewo nenu Cape Coast a very difficult game but papa your friend no ano worker this time right so on hwe nioma yena enioma so ankoche manfa ma no ntino Samates with one more quality no the compare Kotoku Royals and said ya wo si akana Kotoku Royals e beatable Cape Coast wo nti enyo dan ana game ibetumi akoso nti na ho no me hwe nim se odi bibia to nseno so a team my friend Samates nso no betumi aye slightly ahead of Kotoku Royals a womunya a 2-1 victory bia eno so betumi aboa Samates mani omo etumi akonkan bibia ni Go Stars ani mediama emfa coach David Duncan ansha weekend way Go Stars share mediama wia ansha coach David Duncan wo betumi apamon because game no wo lose wombo lusu intino bibie ni Go Stars ebe den se mediama betumi akọ puli up any surprise or hono intino Go Stars be she mediama obe she on more right but pressure no ebe compound on opinion your friend David Duncan ono no kire se enya ade ono no ne philosophy ni ade onyusu left back sem fam ball ne left side of defense ti yenim say no the right attacking winger ne ka akọbọ hot this time against BPA ni a ye hwe say the nyoma besi akọbẹ game a BPA show clear so ka kulusu sa particular game but after this game no me hwe mpanifo enim so say Moses Amapaka no mo say this time round no after so mo ka kulusu wo BPA ni wo mu lusu wia wo mu ni opening no so no ndi apape mu na BPA so entumi anya kama no otu nkotwere die betumi atwere ntino kakra nso e wo ho no yeki
all right na nke china na game no na mbese wurem but mami Koroko line up against Lagos City no and also etimi about goalkeeper Frederick Asari on a better post from Sansona defense ni Mubarak Yusuf Augustine Japan Enoch Morrison Justice Blay Sharif Mohammed Steven Mukwala George Mfege also Ejinamu Shadrach Ado Nicholas Mensah and Afinson John Tedeku when he plays Koroko Shasie Ediamom against Lagos City's Frederick Asari Mubarak Yusuf Augustine Japan Enoch Morrison Justice Blay Sharif Mohammed Steven Mukwala George Mfege Shadrach Ado, Nicholas Mensah, and John Tedeku. Uko Piemu and Suno Lagos City sir. Abrante William Emmanuel Esu, Jonah Tikwe, Alex Eso, Suleimana Mohammed Isaka, Kwabna Edu, and Swijram, Michelle Otu, Samson Sarat Mohammed, Kofi Koji, Richard Aqua, Anna Finsuno, Eric Bonsu, Osei, when he plays the Shasia, Ediama, Lagos City. Scrubia, 1 minute, China, Canada, and Switzerland. And about 10 a.m. I think that after the match in the Benya.
Yes, Benya, but okay, said I made in Kankano. A game it calls for a worry in certain situations. Say game na walk up na ye kono players no be especially ye brese yebenya equally good as them. And sisi ano and shana yen key players he been so called start here problem between me but and also another game I was say key players about 80-90% players are almost starting against Portugal. So I was say womunya akwenya mbosa a particular game be. Yeah. Yes. And a woman in answer no koba and also another worry say injury sir.
But I think
the technical team, you know. Yes, they know much. I want how they will go about this. And, you know, let's give them the benefit of the doubt. Whatever lineup I'm going to be putting up, we expect the players to also excel. Now, I'm show Ghana and so promise say, share performance against Switzerland. Now, you better be busy on to also make a case in the competitive games, especially your first game against team in front of Portugal. So, your game you leave for the managers and any technical men on our how they will go into that particular friendly game.
All right, and no question Christian about clinic Sabra. Yare dom fara na fa betuano no so anoma e de no makoma komia saba e isa min tell about e isa opin tell about e and I feel so medal about no ba yare bia e betu ase de free e de ma so tin e ya and I say no blood pressure, diabetes, how migraine ni nyana so no e be e de free e de ma cholesterol na adon ni pedua na eno so nya e isa no bia eno so be yi e de free e de ma Kofredi Adesaba shop and so Kofredi taxi rank Kofredi Zongo Jerome shop area mama all nations traffic light so home Matisco drugstore Samson Pesa drugstore sume kwa pema pom for Sinedu Odan Kennedy drugstore na Nachumesi drugstore Precious chemical shop ni yana da begro mami dede ekropon major pharmacy program na finsuma sanka kwesi Christian about clinic and noibi Fred 0244 413 247 0244 413 247 and 0248 152323 0248 152323. That fin so no copy mo e kwesi Christian Eba Clinic. Facebook ezona mo poku diaba osemai Okuman Radio Global Sports Crew. I greet you all. I pray Ronaldo and co fight until or after the Ghana game. Black Stars for semi-finals. As I draw Ghana Numsa and Nana Safari or 91 on Sunday diaba. Isaac Ofe and Star still watching the show live. More fire. And so then confirm Pass Solo Paradise. Greetings guys. Good work done. I want Coach Otuado. Otuado should give a free pioneer and download some minutes to play against Switzerland tomorrow. And also Nadia Odiaba. Yerebesi a brand call Yameboa. Yachana a better snap fins no yet in summer doing in a and so no Ediaba. Executive producer Era Kofi Anton Bafok Nana Kofi Korea Jaman Krobia Santoten and Kazigi and Donzi Ebo Mechiro Samson fins no Miami Aba Usu. Yes. And also no Ewa do you know now for me? There's nothing in your share. I can't be as a china. Remember, I say Krobia. I come and tell me producer. I don't know. I say I was wom kakra. And you know Kelvin. I'm pon said. Yame boy china. Eba na yabe to amso. Muchum.
Higher, higher, higher. Higher, higher, higher. You know what it is. Higher, higher, higher. Higher, higher, higher.
Hey, FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022. Yanko Qatar live on Okuman 97.1.
A 20th November, the 18th December, 32 countries. Yeah, the 64 games nina live commentary at the April on Okuman Radio 97.1.
Achadiani Diebe Breakeke predict and win Ebekosu during the live commentary on Okuman 97.1.
Senso say Okuman Yanko Qatar Jumadieno Yerebe Brel El Wabuano.
Sao Pasa Samiro Boy Chidoma, Ubeting your friend number said this way 0549 012454 and 0246 435565. Restaurant, bars, Ankran Grass, Sambre Mupasa Muboy Chidom, Akunya or Homamu, Samuba Fre, Nianuma Dinsa Oswo, Yanko Kata 2022, Ewa Okuman 97.1 Radio.
Okuman Yanko Kata World Cup 2022 and Asia.
Anywhere, more coming up.
Because good music can be so hard to find. So hard to find.
Get it here.
It's your boy Travis. Gym Class Heroes, baby.
On Okuman Radio 97.1.
Yeah.
Across the world, your full good body radio station.
Radio.